My name is Martin.
My name is Kalista.
My name is David.
My name is Sylvie.
And my name is Jenny Monica.
Hello everyone, we are from first group of Voice of Democracy. We'll present a random video that we have made, and our video title is Democracy in School by Student.
Democracy in school is a political system within the school environment that involves competition between prospective leaders who apply alternatives so that students can participate in the selection.
The point of democracy in school is the selection of candidates for head and vice head of student Dr. Wahidin Sudarsono High School.